Welcome back, Scale Modelers, to SMKR. Up next is Revell Miami Vice Ferrari Testarossa. Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is the Miami Vice Ferrari Testarossa. This is 1/24 scale. It is a reissue from 2005. Not much has changed with this kit through the years. And the most recent reissue in 2011, they did offer some new decals in that issue. Kit number 852869. One of the things I did notice about the boxing is they give you a picture of all the parts that are included with the kit, and Revell very rarely ever did that, so that's kind of unique with the boxing of this kit. So with the Testarossa, which means red, the only part of the car, the signature color red, was the heads of the Ferraris. So these Ferraris were more commonly painted white. When I was in the Air Force, I was stationed in Germany, and I lived on the economy. I lived north of Frankfurt in a town called Epstein-Bremthal in the Taunus Mountains. And on my street, I saw my first Testarossa. It was unbelievable to see that in person and how wide the car was versus the German streets. Pretty awesome machine, though. Let's open this up and have a quick look here. So just like the original boxing, the kit parts are molded in white. Everything's contained in a plastic bag, and we have the clear parts in a separate bag. And we also have the chrome parts that are separately bagged. Pretty nice, keeps things from getting scuffed up. And then we have the tires that are separate also, which is nice. No stamping or any manufacturer stamped on the side of the tires here. And that's because of licensing. It costs more money to put Goodyear or whatever tire brand on the tires. So, looks good. And here's the kit instructions. Typical Revell instructions. Fold out page by page instructions, which are really good, I think. And here's the decals that are included with the kit. So we have the Florida license plates, Miami Vice plates, and the Ferrari emblems. Real quick, let's look at the instructions here. I'm not going to go through everything here. 4 pages worth. The engine assembly. Suspension next. The drivetrain, muffler assembly, firewall, frame, air intake assembly. Lots of detail on the engine, a lot of effort here going on with the details there. Body inserts, windows, trunk. So this should be nice to be able to look forward to this one. And the interior assembly and the final assembly. I'll be right back with all the kit parts. Open the large bag. There's 4 sprue trees in there. This is the first one. Lower suspension, lower frame, closer look here at the detail here. $1987 is stamped on here. The engine detail looks very nice and crisp there. A lot going on there. There's the heads. They will be painted that Ferrari red, Testarossa. And the side panels here. So there it is right there. The other part has fallen off the tree, so it's in the box. Exhaust manifolds, steering wheel. And here's the part that fell off. Here's the next one. The kit box says there's over 100 parts with this kit, and as you can imagine there's lots of little small pieces here. So this kit should actually be a level 3 type kit because there's a lot of parts included. Here's suspension components, engine transmission components. Here's a closer look. Very nice details. This is a rear engine or a mid-engine type of car. This is a highly detailed kit, really. It's got a lot to offer here. The belts, the springs. There's the famous Ferrari mirrors. Steering column. Looks like the windshield wiper exhaust system. Here's another tree with the interior component, which includes the seats, the interior tub, the dash, side panels, left-hand drive, as you can see by the pedals, standard transmission by the pedal arrangement, molded in and stowed rear seat in the back. Close-up of the dash here. Here you go. Good shot of the engraving. There's no decals for the gauges, so you'll have to paint them. Some part of the suspension components there. Now let's look at the seats a little closer. The front seats and the side panels of the doors. Good details here. Rack and pinion steering. The rear trunk or the top deck. Little Ferrari emblem stamped in there. More of your exhaust system. Here's the chrome tree. Get a closer look at the wheels here. It's really hard to videotape chrome. Let's see here if we get this in focus. There we go. Chrome plating looks pretty good. Back plating of the wheels, you probably don't want those chrome. You'll want to strip those down and paint them black probably. Some of the engine components, intake manifolds, carburetors. Oh, there, yeah, those are the Monza exhaust tips. And of course your mirrors. So yeah, there's not much chrome with this kit, so not to really dress up a whole lot. Here's the clear parts. And the clear parts look pretty good to me. All the windshields are in one piece. So obviously your side windows aren't being presented in this, just a front windshield and the side rear windows. Your back windshield too. Tail lights. Headlights in here too. And here's the body. The coolest part of the kit, of course, is the body. So there's no other car like this Testarossa. Very unique in design and styling. Looks very good. Here's the front view. The front grille looked very nice there. And of course the side panels are molded separately. I showed you those earlier. Very sleek A-pillar, C-pillar. Tail lights are opened up. Nice. Close-up of the Ferrari symbol molded separately there. So I think they have a decal you can apply to that. Lower valance. Not much cleanup required here. It looks pretty good. Yep, the little Ferrari symbol there. Looks good. And there you have it. This was the Miami Vice Ferrari Testarossa. It's the reissue from 2005. Kit number 852869. It was originally released in 1987. And it definitely looks the part as a Ferrari Testarossa. Remember, there's over 100 parts included with this kit, and I highly recommend it. This would sit very nice sitting alongside the Daytona Spider from Miami Vice. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Please stay tuned for more reviews. Take care, everybody, and happy modeling.